Mama wakwaba aha eye GC and page so midin e de adwoa searching. And then the day the kanya wo de ehwe me a mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia be on so we be a notification. And the sun news e de betum bia wo be be atie anase wo be be ahwe e wo GC and page ha. Owura ya okase ni din e de chei ejaben na edensem e na owura chei ejaben e kanisem a okan na ne se Eye Oman Penny that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Abrana oye Oman Penny no. Corruption bebre ekoso e wone penswa odwen ho a ontiase. Ebi ne eye circle interchange na omo eye no. Sika omo boy se omo de eye interchange no ebo adwen ntiase so ontiase. Afenso Komenda sugar factory na omo ekototo machines ebegu ho so omo adua ahwerefu. Enti na ba be adwuma eye Captain Smart kura ko okose si che ni bi be kire no still eye Komenda sugar factory no ye hu bebie kosi ni na eye ka afenso Airbus scandal no ni hu wo ene obebre ne course e woni penso anye enti se oye o man bapa na Ghana sika ni ye na ye ndia na sisi e mana politicians no mo dada ye bi onti no oba be court obefa lawyer na odi Oman Penny dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akwa jina asebdibia na wabeyi ensema no sika akoni botom because kamia kwa ese Ghana phone penifo zie mo hadwen we di sika omo nya ne hwe sika hihye Ghana phone penifo omo to ne nya sika ketwa na court no Ghana court ni yenim nipa no mo ya we ese sika mudi hye ni sem so onfanye project we and na wantimi aye project no and as a project no oye but sika no de ye no mutimi se sika no de ye no ochemu be ye 10 and or the half pe eye and ofa enkai no mo atimi ebise nipa na aka no kwawe na mo de na akogina court and then ochina be 10 years no mu di na semi wie but na obi nko wia common cassava banchi and as a brode ode ne kwa court and 1 week 2 days 3 days no mo de ne sentence ama no okọ eya de a ha Ghana fu ye papa because Ghana man no ejapade o eye na ye dia enti kamia kwa ise nipa kakra bi fa na so omo nko adia eye na ha dwi ye papa enti owura chen chei kire se obey investigation no de Oman Penny dada John Dramani Mahama act ni position na o deserve na eye comment o de bai e wa bra omo eye national agenda e wo Oman FM enti ensem de we si ekoy.
And he says it is alleged that ex-President Mahama and his cronies bloated cost of government contract and public debt, including Circle Interchange, Kaswa Interchange, renovation of Kumasi Airport, Ridge Hospital, Komenda Sugar Factory, Tamale Airports. I want to seek justice for Ghanaians. I am in the process of submitting a petition to the Office of the Special Prosecutor. I need a lawyer, he added.
Yes. You see, so at that time, yeah. Yeah, can't say Mr. Shekel, something like that. I can't say. And what's it? The US, the UK, the whole America, Ghana, even community service.
Yes, because social Sabrina na say obi tunu huache.
Yes.
Na a key mabrabum. But the lady, yes. Chair Jabin Ewokoforidia, and he says it is alleged that ex-President Mahama and his cronies bloated cost of government contract and public debt, including Circle Interchange, Kaswa Interchange, renovation of Kumasi Airport.
You see, so at that time, how Ghana for no. That time the population was 5 million. So that kind of
yes,
5 million to 6 million. The first omuyi kwine from one accuracy to another accuracy. Na obiya a juma a day free for government. And almost that bulldozers, caterpillars, Kumatu earth moving machines. Nothing in any home. But almost they are holding and see any or dog and almost to Asafojum and almost yes are Ejumano. And where is that spirit?
Any hope you.
And Nuntino, this is what we need. If we are seeing, yeah, if we are seeing a develop, yeah, we are seeing a try say, on be improve on life. If we are seeing a try say, on be for a for council. If we are seeing a try say, peace beba omu maimua, obia my beye akono. Ghana beye akono say na kofo no interview in the 1965 thereabout. beya akono na amanfo atimi aba oman mu abedi dwa abeye dwuma ama Ghanafo enya fahoto afoto any fahodie and no what people have not also analyzed and they say what they say photo
Sami photo
some photo and some almost to Ghanafo and sunyina okujeto aboakwa any omka honso
because of say a legal issue na ye parliament na a border on legal issues in tinama me ma ye be fat up and je be switch ni akọ other developmental project
so in effect I think say parliamentarians say who inside parliament next what I think say fellow Ghanaians omutie no who say panimu enkasasa panimu emina no Ghana is a beautiful country. The country is moving towards maybe aid. Without aid, and I don't think say I did say do katia you know. I was say yes so na amount for Ukraine time 18. Now people should focus on where the country is going. Now ya unim say coup sena makani eliano. Enya de papa I was a Ghana for empo a free enum eba because ku a dienya ku a high free Ghana collar brim besi and penny brim and that's so high and the kwasenka obi body crew wasenka yesu ho and the kwasenka masa kwan obi the kwase penny mu bia kra bi na no kase and na ku okay na first to look at what is going on and we are saying it's peaceful. And we are saying it's moving towards development. Amafuniaji obia Ghana say asuria ba omaimu. Yeah, for the past since 1992, ebe sabre constitution aye juma besine adenti na se unia ba mu a opese okase e wo se kuba because unia ba mu. Why should this be the case? Fellow Ghanaians, why should this be the case? It shouldn't. And the question is so cry. Because I'm why not say you constitution you change government peacefully. Then Ghana is so attractive. Now you to another more encoying. Yeah, look at something that people around for ahead every oh said the be a better no maka Ghana beyond aid, no trasso, no Ghana beyond aid, no trasso, maka after, no trasso, no maka education. Yeah, government no they build the foundation we are seeing here. Recently, Mikacho said, because I went back to the US, now my name is cousin Joe, yeah, namely Joe, the doctor Joe, yeah, now Mika said, no, will be a change our system. It's because, say, Constitution Yajuma. It's because, say, Emra Yajuma. Now, for America, for the only soldier for, they have the seals. Yeah. They have the seals. Omunomutu Kochi was Osama bin Laden. I want to fear them. I am no ecosia no pum. They are there. Trump Clinton I didn't know Oman truncate Omo a friend is saying Omo power and Omo democracy because they respect the sovereignty of the people. And the sovereignty of the people also no Ghana for no do will who enemy loyal pon any my chama any Joe Kwanza and any say obi any say it's not fair to Ghanaians. Enuntino, the one my Dutch in say, and Mofra almost is so. That is your education more. Okay, final chat one after Mofra almost is so, Ghana ha, ye omuntina, and penny for ebre, send a bear, almost Dutchin, a bear Dutchin, a year, and Nijay, a bear Dutchin, a becosuno. Some Mofra nunti, and I abana ye free education, free HSS. Se obia nya ho akwanya na onkosua ngoma yi politics free mu ese Ghana ni bia onkosua akwara bia onkosua ngoma enti mun free ekwan no so amoton dog chains enti kaye for mu akwanya omo titi kwa ton no mabasa mu nyina mu ho akwanya se mo besua ngoma now so who's young woman so baby I better young woman so Abana is building plenty schools. You see so many STEMs. You obey science, obey technology, obey engineering. Now they are yen one kasankasa wa brabunti. One kasankasa unim dienti. One kasankasa do a boost your for mon koso enti ena saa no ma we nyina koso bibia ye de pepepe wano what we secondary school so no opeso ko TVET o opeso ko vocational and technical institute opeso ko a ekosua de pam opeso ko kosua fitadwuma opeso ko kosua 3 year ni nyina no the state of the art technology say abefo kwanso ena ye de be ye musa no ma TVET for mo aye obenya onsa no adwuma wanya onsa no adwuma wa we secondary school we university now what na fiso no now they have the after look there say Africa nyina mon kambom na mon ni dwa wo mo ho na mon tonton mo amo niema na mon fa mo bra just adwa sergeant sakra. Now to do this now a man for about so there be na e be ya omo ma wie science technology omo wie vocational school omo ma wie de ka ho no nyina no e be do nya adwuma and so therefore let us industrialization in the one district one factory air cost yo ya man for build yo anti when munya what create is like stages are actually ayefo baku e dia ko Bosch Assassin, which is the Ghana Beyond Aid. Anti everything is being done and now